Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat app tips and tricks. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to activate games on WeChat. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Me. Click on Settings. Scroll down right here and make sure you look for other features. So click on that. Then go ahead and click on WeChat Tools. Go ahead and click on Wincing Games. Go ahead and hit on Enable. Now you are done. Just like what you see right here. Lastly, go ahead and click on Stick on Top. It's that simple. Go back to your home page. Continue to go back. Continue to go back. Then come to your message right here. You have your WeChat game at the top right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.